Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very quick and easy makeup look using just three products. So before that, let's move towards skincare. Here I'm using Plum Green Tea Revitalizing Face Mist as my face toner, and it does what it says. It really revitalizes your skin, and the smell is amazing, guys. It is one of my favorite products. And after that, I will use this moisturizer. This is Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer, very easily available all over the India. You can get it online as well as offline, and everyone should use a moisturizer during winters according to your skin type. So after the moisturizer, I will move towards base makeup. And for my base product, I will use a BB cream, which is this one, Pond's BB cream. And I will take little bit at the back of my hand, and I will dot it all over my face and my neck area as well. Like to do this way, instead of applying lots of product at once, you can use any BB cream or CC cream. In winters, I prefer using lighter base product than heavy foundation. I think it is for everyone. And yes, so this way I will use this, and now I'm using a buffing brush, and I'm uh, first of all I'm spreading the product all over my face, and then I will buff it into my skin. And you can see easily this product is so lightweight, it blends beautifully in the skin, and it feels like your second skin. And yes, guys, please don't add those two skincare products as a makeup, because they were skincare and not makeup. I had just taken a bath, didn't apply any cream on my face, so I applied them on camera instead of off camera. So after this, let's move towards, okay, here I'm applying little bit more. Yes, so I'm taking little bit more BB cream, and very little, you can see, dotting it all over my face, and I will blend it again with the same buffing brush in the same manner, spreading it all over my face and then blending it into my skin. So after this, I'm moving towards my eyebrow. So I will brush the eyebrow with this spoolie to remove any excess product which is on my eyebrow, and to give my eyebrows a perfect shape. And now for my eyebrow product, I'm going to use this kajal pencil from Color Bar. You must have seen my my birthday haul video, and I showed you this kajal pencil in that video. I will take this kajal pencil on the angular brush, which is also from Color Bar, and I will fill my eyebrows using the same product. So you can see how I am doing this. If you don't have a eyebrow pencil, you can definitely use this trick. You can use a dark brown kajal or a black kajal. Don't use a black kajal if you are new in shaping your eyebrows. If you are pro, I mean, I'm not also a pro, but if you are habitual of filling your eyebrows, then you can use it. Otherwise, you will your eyebrows will become like panda eyes. So this way I'm filling my both the eyebrows. And yes, after filling, I will brush the eyebrows once again to blend the product seamlessly. Yes, so you can easily see the difference. And now I will use the same kajal pencil uh, to line my waterline. I never step out of my house without using a kajal pencil. I love dark, heavy, coal rimmed eyes, and I'm going to do the same here also. So I'm using this kajal pencil, and I'm lining my waterline thickly. You will see right now. Honestly speaking, guys, I didn't like this Color Bar kajal pencil too much, because it is creamy. It's okay, but it smudges very badly. I love the Shambor one, which you must have seen in my other videos, in my previous videos. But it is like okay, but I think it won't be good in during winters. If you want to go for a smoky eye, then it is fine to give a base to your black eyeshadow. But it smudges very badly, and I didn't like it too much. The the Shambor one was amazing. I still have that one, but I decided to use the new one. here, but chamber one literally sticks to your eyelids. It is really amazing. And it is also difficult to remove the chamber one. I mean, it doesn't comes out quickly, which is a good thing in some manner, but this color bar one is so creamy, it comes out very easily. So you see, I'm li- lining my eyelids heavily, and I will use the same kajal to tight line my eyes as well. And after this, I'm using this lipstick which is red in shade, and this is from Lakme Absolute Matte Revolution lip color in the shade Envious Red. Since it's winter, so I decided to opt for a bold lip color, and I'm using the lip brush, this lip brush which you can see in my eyes, and I will outline my lips first. If whenever you are using a bold lip color, don't forget to outline your lips. Either you can do this way which I'm showing, or you can use a lip pencil if you have a lip pencil. I don't have a lip pencil, so I'm using my lip brush to outline my lips. This way it's easy to fill in the bold lip color, and it doesn't bleeds out outside your lip line. So I'm using this same lip brush as well to fill the lip color in my lips, and I will also dab the lipstick little bit on my lips later on, which you will see in the video. Yes, you can see I'm dabbing the lip color on my lips. So this is the final look, guys. Tell me whether you liked it or not. This is the only makeup which I do whenever I'm stepping out of the house. The only difference is that I remove the lipstick or I use a very lighter shade. I don't always use a red color lipstick. So please let me know whether you liked it or not. How is your reaction? Please comment, and tell me whether you want some other kind of video. I will make one for you. And happy new year to all of you. I hope this year goes safely and the other year comes very safely. Bye bye, take care.